A Polar Carolina high school in a big against vaccine society is at the cardiac of the country's greatest chicken pox outburst in many decades, officials tell. On Friday, 36 students at Asheville Waldorf High School were undiagnosed in the illness, the Asheville Individual Times paper informed. The high school has one of the country's highest rates of sectarian clearing, enabling students to skip vaccine. U.S. public health officials say vaccinating is far more secure rather than receive chicken pox. We discover how our parents are very reasoned to select precisely which they wish for their family. We, as a high school, do not distinguish relying on a kids' care story or care state. Buncombe's household to the town of Asheville, in a people of above 250,000, has the highest bet of sectarian-based immunization exemptions in the country. Regional public health officials are close tracking the position, on to the Shire's Public Health Division. While we see top numbers of unimmunized family and adults, we aware how and disease love chicken pox can distribution readily through the society, in our playgrounds, grocery store and sport teams. Largest confessions do not forbid vaccine, but in latter year, several U.S. parents include be terrible of unfavorable reactions to vaccines. Several bad reactions, love allergies, to vaccines are probable. The Care Society has debunked the extensive most of these fears, and groups consisting the Planet Public Health Organization and the US Academia of Pediatrics promote vaccine. The viral infection spreads via pin or cough and sneezing, although it is not as infectious as rubeola, that can be distribution out of any pin. The Centers for Illness Monitoring, CDC, recommends vaccinating family among 1 and 12 year of year. Although severe cases are unusual, the CDC says chicken pox spreads readily and can be fatal. The chicken pox vaccination was licensed in the U.S. in 1995. On to the CDC, the vaccination has prevented 3.5 million cases of chicken pox, 9,000 hospitalizations and 100 deaths every year in the U.S. And although several individuals may yet get chicken pox in the vaccination, it is really efficient at prevent harsh or lifetime threatening cases.